All right, good day, everyone. Welcome to another trading week. Thanks for watching the videos, my previous videos. For those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please share the channel with your friends. It's going to be really how do I put it? It's going to really be helpful for everyone that subscribed. Okay, because every week I'll be coming up with my own personal analysis for the week. And then if you have been following all the ones that we've been coming out, we've seen that the market has really been playing out the way we expect it most of the time, really. Okay, so this week is going to be like the same. We're just going to start with looking at the fundamentals for the week. All right, Monday, as usual, is going to be free of data, and then on Tuesday we'll have the monetary policy meeting come out from Australia. Okay, I don't expect any volatility around that. And then at 2:30 p.m. from Canada, we have the CPI, the Consumer Price Index will be coming out expected in Canada. Then the median CPI, the year-on-year, and then the trim CPI, the year-on-year is expected. Now, if you look at all the data coming expected from Canada, you will see that they are expecting an increase on this. Okay, previous is minus 0.3%. They are expecting an increase to 0.4%. From the 3.6% on the median, they're expecting no change. And then for the trim, they're expecting a drop in the figure. All right. I won't be placing any trades on this at all. I won't be placing any trades on this. I hardly trade Canadian dollar. Right? So, but then we'll see how that plays out. And then on Wednesday, the most important news coming out is the FOMC minute. All right, I don't really expect any volatility around the FOMC for this week. Yeah, I have my reasons for saying this. I don't have much time to divulge into all those. But then the FOMC minute, maybe it's going to create volatility, maybe just a mild one, really. And then on Thursday, the most important news on Thursday should be the German flash manufacturing PMI from Europe, and then the flash manufacturing PMI and flash service PMI from the UK. All right, we should be paying close attention to that. Let's check out the ones for the UK. You will see that the previous for the flash manufacturing PMI was 47.0. They're expecting 47.5, which is a mild increase. And then the last time the flash service PMI came out at an increase of 54.3%. They are expecting an increase to 54. I mean, an increase to 54.3. They're expecting an increase to 54.5%. This is really looking positive according to the predictions. Really looking positive for the pounds. We'll see how that plays out. And then on Thursday, the unemployment claims will usually come out. And if you've been following the unemployment claims, you will see that in the last few weeks, the numbers have really been coming out positive. All right, 212K came out on Thursday, last week Thursday. They are expecting a decrease to 217K, but I can tell you that an increase will probably come surface. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right? Yeah, we'll see how that plays out on Thursday. And then the flash manufacturing PMI and then the service PMI also will be coming out from the US. Okay, so overall this week, we don't have anything to worry about concerning data, all right, concerning the fundamental market. But then pay close attention to the Canadian CPI, pay close attention to the FOMC minutes, also pay close attention to German flash service PMI, all the PMIs from the UK and all the PMIs from the United States of America, followed by the unemployment claims. Okay, so but aside from that, I don't think we have anything to worry about in fundamental market. All right, you all know if you're a trader, it's important that you watch the news. Really very important. Let's check out the technicals for the week. So I was checking out the market, and in the last 2 weeks, there hasn't really been much structures in the market. Some of the news that came out last week really gave us a bit of structure on some currency pairs. We'll be looking at that. I was struggling I am a structure trader, so I pay very close attention to structures. Okay, so let's start with the DXY. Now, DXY has been last week, right? DXY was positive almost through last week. That was why we saw that the Euro USD, even the gold, everything was selling. Right. Going into a new week, I was seeing that it's probably sitting around there. Yeah, this is what we have. And then if you check properly, you'll see that the DXY is sitting pretty much on or probably below this current level. So we'll see how that pans out for the week. It's either we see a continuation in the up move or the market breaks this support, and then we should be expecting a range around there. Okay, or possibly somewhere around there. Yeah, if it continues to sell. Right, that is what I have on the DXY for the week. So let's start our analysis with the Euro USD. Right, Euro USD. I've not really been trading Euro USD for some weeks now. Reason being that there wasn't really any proper structure really visible for me. But then I can see that we are getting a bit of structure now. I was checking it out. Let me probably just point out the all right, so this is what I'm seeing on the Euro USD. This is what I'm seeing. Probably seeing a channel, so yeah, fantastic. Okay, so I'm seeing a channel now. Currently, market has broken the channel. So, and then we should expect an up move to around this area. That's 1.0861. That is my expectation on Euro USD. So I will be buying Euro USD this week. But then, if the market breaks back into this channel, then we should expect further sell. All right. So it will help play out because everything needs confirmation before you place your trade. If we don't see confirmations, we aren't going into any trade. But let's check this on the 1 hour time frame. All right. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, you see that there's high possibility that the market will probably revisit the broken channel here before we see a move up. But whatever the case may be, we'll see how the market plays out. All right. We have a bullish engulfing candle here as a confirmation for the positive move up, but then market may like to play back here before we see a move up. So ultimately for me this week, I'll be buying the Euro USD. Let's check out USD JPY. Now, I have had this chart for weeks now, and I'm still maintaining my stand on USD JPY because I'll probably be looking out for a sell. I'll be looking out for a sell confirmation based on this. Now, I have two scenarios that might probably play out on the USD JPY. We could see the market touch this point before we see a major pullback. It's highly possible, right? So let's just put it there. Yeah. We'll probably say the market touch that level before we see a major pullback. But then looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that the market is trying to play a bit of down move. Like I said, I'll be looking out for a sell. But then looking at it again, you'll see that we are having our higher lows already intact on this guy, which keeps the uptrend really intact. I don't know, but then we'll probably need a very good confirmation. I will only be looking out for a sell signal on the USD JPY. I will only be looking out for a sell signal on the USD JPY. Okay, let's check out gold. Now, gold had a very massive sell move based on the news that happened last week, and then you can see that from the 2029 area, the mark it fell to around 1,985 thereabout, and then from there was a quick move up. Now, initially gold was ranging, and then it broke the range here, and the market is back into the range. So for this week, I will be looking to buy gold to this level. Yeah, I'm doing this on the 4-hour time frame, so I'll be looking to buy gold to 2058. Yeah, 2050. But first, I will need a pullback to around this region before I look out for a buy signal. This is only done on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if I don't get a pullback to the 2005 region, the close of the market currently here is already giving us a very bullish move for gold. So we should probably be looking at our first take profit around this level. Yeah, and then the ultimate direction, which will be 2058. Okay. So a buy to this point, we expect a break, a retest, and then a continuation down to that point. So that is what I'll be expecting on gold this week. So I'll be looking to buy gold either after a pullback to this region, or we go in conservatively when the market opens from here. Okay, so let's look out for the NZD USD. So because like I said, I have very few currency pairs that have structures on it. Why am I interested in um NZD USD? Basically because of the structure I saw on it. Okay, so if you're a structure trader, you'll see that we're probably seeing a W pattern on this, which is a reversal pattern. All right, if you're a price action trader. Okay, so this is the neckline. Yeah, this is the neckline. Okay, good. So we would expect a buy, a break, a retest, and then a continuation. Now, if this happens, I'll be looking to buy NZD USD. So I expect a break. Yes, a retest, and then continuation for the ultimate buy to that region. So this is my expectation on XZD. It's not actually a typical currency that I trade, but I'll be looking out for because of the W pattern that I saw on it. That is why I'm a bit interested on the currency pair. Let's also look at AUD USD. Now AUD USD has been in a very massive bearish move, and then currently the market is trying to pull back up. Yeah, let's check it out on the daily time frame. Now, looking at it on the daily time frame, you can probably see that made a move down and then it's trying to make a move back up at that region. Okay, so what are we looking at here? I'll be looking to buy. Really, yeah. I'm looking to buy. So somebody might want to say that. So you are going against the dollar this week again. Yes, I am going against the dollar this week today. But then everything depends on confirmation. Everything depends on confirmation. So let's look at AUD JPY. I might not actually touch that AUD USD. Yeah, I might not touch it really. Okay, so AUD/JPY on the daily time frame, you probably see that the market is approaching the height that was created in November last year. Almost got there, and then we saw that the market tried to pull back from there. Now we can see how the market closed with a very good confirmation for a sell. So I'll be looking to sell AUD/JPY this week. So my first target will be around there. Yeah, this is where my first target will be. Okay, so that's just about barely 100 pips. All right, if I see 60 pips on this for this week, I am comfortable with that. Okay, so why am I going to be selling? Because the market is approaching the height that was created in November last year, and then the close on Friday gave us a very good confirmation for that sell. But I will need further confirmation, probably with the Fibonacci, before I go into this into a buy or any sell. Okay, now last but not the least, we have the AUD card. So why am I so picking up AUD? That is not my typical currency that I trade. Now, but I love the structure on AUD because AUD is actually in a descending channel, right? And then you will probably see that the market broke the channel and is trying hard to move up. Okay, so we'll be looking out for a buy on this currency this week. Okay, so maybe at a pullback to this region and then an up move. I actually placed this guy on my watch list in the last 1 week. I don't know. I'm not just getting any vibes or any confirmation to place any trade on it. Now we are having a bit of uh, ranging market here, but you pull back to this point, I'll be looking to buy from here. Ultimately, this week, if by my own strategy, I'm not really seeing any structure like that on most of the currency pairs, really. So these are the few ones that I will be looking to buy or sell. Now, let me say this. All this is tied to confirmation. Okay, I might probably call a buy here that I'll be looking to buy this, and then the structure might change during the week, and I'll be selling. If it breaks the buy structure and then gives me a new sell structure with a confirmation, I'll be going into the sell. So this is why you need to be on my signal group. Now, in my signal group last week, I gave out 7 signals. I lost just one. In January, throughout January, I didn't lose any trade at all in January. Now, for those that have been following my signals, you will see that the signal is really top notch, right? Okay, you might want to be on my signal group where you can get signals to trade. Okay, you don't have to struggle. Some of us will struggle in this market and then just use our experience to make money, basically. All right. In order to do that, please you can comment on this video that you would like to join my Telegram group or my Signal group, and then we'll link up from there. All right. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let someone also benefit from this video. Okay. All right. Thank you. My name is Sam Dina again. Bye. Bye.